Today we're talking about beets, the humble vegetable you might only think of as a simple snack. But its hidden secrets will leave you amazed. Beets, the vibrant red vegetable we often see on winter tables, are much more than just a simple food. This nutrient-packed superfood is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and incredible compounds that can strengthen your body and protect it from various diseases. But what makes beets so special and worth adding to your diet? Beets are one of the best natural detoxifiers. The compounds in beets not only help your liver function better, but also flush out toxins and boost your metabolism. If you feel tired or sluggish, a glass of beet juice can re-energize your body. Professional athletes are well aware of the magic of beets. The natural nitrates in beets increase oxygen flow to the muscles, enhancing athletic performance by up to 16%. Consuming beets before exercise provides lasting energy and improved endurance. One of the most important benefits of beets is their ability to lower blood pressure. Studies show that the nitrates in beets can reduce blood pressure within just a few hours, helping prevent heart attacks and strokes. By regularly consuming beets, you can keep your brain sharper as you age. The nitrates in beets improve blood flow to the brain, reducing the risk of Alzheimer's and enhancing memory, focus, and cognitive performance. Want glowing skin? Beets are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that fight free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and healthy. Beet juice can also reduce blemishes and acne, giving you a clearer complexion. With its high fiber content and low calories, beets are one of the best snacks for weight loss. Eating beets not only keeps you full for longer, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels. Beets act as a shield for your immune system. Their rich vitamin C, iron, and other minerals protect your body from infections and illnesses. If you want to stay healthy during the colder months, include beets in your diet. One of the most fascinating benefits of beets is their anti-cancer properties. The vibrant red pigment in beets, called betalain, helps prevent the growth of cancer cells and protects your body from oxidative damage. The high fiber content in beets promotes better digestion and supports gut health. If you experience digestive issues, regular consumption of beets can be a game changer. Chronic inflammation can lead to many health problems. Beets, with their powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Nutrients like folate in beets help the brain produce feel-good hormones. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, a glass of beet juice can naturally uplift your mood. In countries like Japan, beets are a staple in the diets of elderly people, contributing to their longer and healthier lives. Rich in minerals like magnesium and calcium, beets help maintain strong bones and teeth. They're especially beneficial for children and the elderly. If you have an important task or exam coming up, beets are a great brain booster. Now that you've discovered all these incredible benefits of beets, do you still think they're just an ordinary snack? Beets are not only a healthy food, but also a natural medicine that can transform your life. If you found this video interesting, share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.